Alright, this was a leftover of my pork loin. Stuff I might have thrown away. Some leftover teriyaki sauce we want to get rid of. All that stuff that's on the inside there. Want to wash it out. A little soy sauce. A lot of stuff stuck on the inside of that. Quick shake. Got a lot of that out. Stir it around. Oops, Houston, we got a problem. There we go. This, we're just going to toss in. Wash hands. Always wash your hands when you're working with meat. Alright. Notice it was inside out. I want to seal the bag about 1 inch from the end. Try to get all the air out. That's about it. This we're not going to freeze. And all we want to do, get that marinade all over everything. Just making sure it's sealed, it's sealed. This is a darker meat. Darker meat doesn't marinate that well. The pork loin does. So we're not going to throw this into the freezer. We're just going to leave it in the fridge for a day. And then probably tomorrow night, we'll start cooking. Notice how I rolled it and put the lip, the seal on the top. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge. This up against the wall. Love it.